Hello everyone, it's Mono here, and today I wanted to share with you the final design of the bag. Everything about the bag that I'm going to show now is exactly how I envisioned based on all of the inputs that you gave, okay? Both from a functionality perspective, but also from the form and design perspective, as well as a usability perspective. And then of course my own important thing as well around sustainability and what materials we use in the bag. So without further ado, let's take a look at the bag. It's right here with me, and I have actually loaded it with all the things that, or many of the things that I have that you guys mentioned you would like to carry as well in the bag, and it's all there in the bag. So right now I'm using it with the short handle, but of course, as you know, you can unscrew these and you can make it into a long handle bag, right? And with the short handle, I think it makes a lot of sense to have a shoulder strap. So usually put it like this, and then you have the bag over there. Right, we have the nice zipper pull tab, so you can just hold the zipper pull tab right here and then open up the zip. And the first item, I think all the Swedes are gonna love it because it makes sense. It's cold over here, so I have a sweater that fits perfectly also in the bag. Next, we have some technology, right? So we have the charger for the laptop, and then of course we also have the laptop, which is right here. Okay, there we have it, the laptop, which also is necessary over here. I like to take a lot of notes when I'm in meetings, and also just for convenience. So as many times I actually carry a nice generous sized notebook. Still old days, old school, pen and paper always works fantastically. So you have that as well. But sometimes when I'm sketching something and I want to have and organize all of the thoughts together, because those kind of gets lost, I also like to carry an iPad Pro, so that's also something that easily goes in with inside the bag. But we also I have a small little diary for everyday notes and some emotional stuff that are right in it, so that one goes as well over there. Everybody gets thirsty, you have a water bottle, which is also right there. And if you get thirsty, you obviously also get hungry. So you also have a food box, a pretty big, generous size food box, which fits in brilliantly as well right here. And if you spend a lot of time in the commute and you like to listen to music, well, you want to have nice headphones and listen to some good music. So you have some headphones easily organized also over there. When you listen to music, and if you have an iPhone, you know your battery runs out, so you have your nice charging cable with the power brick right over here as well. And then of course I forgot to put the phone inside the bag, but imagine now I'm not taking the phone out of the pocket, and you have the phone as well, which can go easily over here. As well as you have the wallet, which is what many people also carry. So that one goes as well over there. And for all the stylish people who like to wear some sunglasses during summer, we have a nice sunglass pouch as well. Stays in the top pocket. Really nice. For all the people who carry pens And it's also something that I keep forgetting all the time, and then you don't have a pen. Well, you can easily hang 2 pens on the pocket, so you have 2 pens. Actually, you can hang many pens, but I just found 2 pens over here, so that's what we have. And last but not the least, the most important, you need to have the keys. And there you have the keys, okay, which kind of goes in as well. Do I have anything else in the bag? No, that was all that's in the bag. And again, the pull tab is really convenient because you can just hold the pull tab and then just pull the zipper and you have it closed. Now, the way the bag fits, I don't know if it's gonna be visible enough, but yeah, it's relatively visible. So this is the size. This is how it looks on the body, cross body. It's really nice. It's not too big. It's just the right size. It carries a lot of things without becoming too bulky, right, and too heavy. So it's a really nice shape. Works well for women as well as for men. And of course, as you see, all the stuff that it can carry, that's incredible. So some of the changes from the last time that we did, and I need to actually just put this cable back in. Just a second. You have the camera on. So one of the changes that I have made, because it was quite dangerous on my sewing machine to stitch, and the needle broke, hit my just under the eye, and I was like really scared, don't want to have that. So I redesigned the way the crossbody strap actually attaches to the hook. So if you see over here, this is a simple design that is gonna make everything super easy to carry, and it's really strong and durable. It's just 2 rivets and it holds the whole thing perfectly well. Okay. Short handle, as we know. Here's the bag. Just the right size, not so big, just correct, and you can carry a ton of stuff as I just showed you. So with that, I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who contributed in this whole co-creation journey with me. I have learned enormously much. So many of the things I personally don't carry, but I wouldn't have known if you had not specifically mentioned it in the surveys, right? So that gave me a lot of inputs to design a bag that really works well for as many people as possible. And that's the whole idea of a design. There's no point designing something that only a few people use, right? When you've put in all the effort to design something nicely and put enough thought, people like you who have specific needs instantly understand that this bag has been designed well. It's made to function. And of course, we are also always going to have amazing leather, right? So it looks good, it ages good, and it lasts really well. So with that, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. And I might have a really nice special gift for people who have taken the survey. Of course, the giveaway is still on. But if you want to be some of the early ones to buy this bag, you would get some fantastic goodies with it as well. So I need to figure that out, and I'm gonna catch up with you guys in just a couple of days. Until then, thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.